Engineering is a practical, applied and hands-on subject. When we solve engineering problems or design new systems, we create models and test our ideas. Therefore, that's also the environment we create for our student engineers to learn through activities, applying and testing our ideas, and to do this through an active learning environment with leading facilities and guided learning resources, working with others in a team.
There are lots of different styles put into one, so it's teaching me not only the theory behind it, but also the practical skills, which is done through labs, trips, and also big group projects. I feel that it's setting an example as to what it would be like in the future when I'm working.
It has a good balance between exam and coursework, so you get a good balance of building a project as well as learning the theory, having exams. It opens a lot of doors. You can go into different industries after that.
So each week we have a look at a unique topic, some of them including intellectual property rights and engineering ethics, which are really good soft skills for engineers.
We value big picture, holistic thinking. Engineers don't work in isolated small compartments of knowledge, so we prioritize larger and integrated modules. We get our students to work together across different engineering courses on interdisciplinary problems. And we've finished renewing all our lecture theatres, and we've built student study spaces which are available 24/7. And we've also built flexible learning spaces so students can spend time working together on guided, structured group projects. High up in our philosophy is to not merely equip students engineers with the know-how of the existing, pushing boundaries and creating for the future.
The university make you feel like they care and want you to do well, as well as them bringing in lots of visitor speakers, which give you information about the real world and opportunities.
Right now we're working on the electric vehicle project. They teach you how to have the car moving. After that, it's completely up to you what sensors to use, as long as it fits a certain topic which can help the society.
We're getting the real-world experience when we are working in the workshop as a group. So the workshop runs in 2 semesters in parallel with the fundamental lectures. Each group members can help each other, and that's been a really rewarding experience.